This is Poco C40, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start. The first feature that we would like to highlight in today's video is the fact that you can, lock your screen with a fingerprint, or to put it in other words, unlock the display of your device using the Fingerprint Scanner. In order to set this feature up, you need to launch the General Settings app, then simply enter the passwords and security category, and in here you'll find the dedicated fingerprint unlock section which you want to tap on. So the first decision that we need to make is what backup unlock pattern, what backup unlock screen lock method we'll use. The list of available options goes as pattern, PIN or password. I'll go with the pattern myself. Then confirm it by tapping on this got it button. Set the pattern that I would like to use, and then draw it once again in order to confirm. And then tap on the blue confirm button, and from now on we can start enrolling the fingerprint. The scanner is located right here, as you can see, in this camera zone. So in order for your fingerprint to be added, simply lay and lift your finger onto the scanner just like so. Make sure to slightly rotate it each time you lay it onto the sensor in order for the entire surface of your fingerprint to be completely, and what is more important, correctly scanned. So as you can see, I have successfully added my fingerprint. Let's test it out. I'll lock the display, will place my finger onto the sensor, and as you can see, the screen gets unlocked without any issues whatsoever. Great success. Alrighty, so the next tip that I would like to highlight in this video is the random access memory extension feature, which allows you to increase the amount of RAM you have on this device using the internal storage. So in order for you to access this feature, open the settings once again, enter the additional settings category, and in here, almost at the very bottom of the page, you'll find the dedicated section for the memory extension. In here, you want to turn this toggle on by tapping on it and confirm the device reboot in order for these changes to take effect. As you can see, once the device will be restarted, the extra 1 GB of random access memory will be added, using the cost of occupying the 1 GB of storage, internal storage. Alrighty, so let's reboot the device, wait until it gets restarted, and after that we'll see whether the memory extension memory extension function has successfully taken effect. Alrighty, so the phone has been successfully rebooted. Let me just quickly enter the SIM lock or SIM pin I have. Next, I'll draw the pattern that I've installed in the previous tip. And once we enter the settings, we can also go to the about phone category, go for the all specs, and as you can see in the random access memory section, it will clearly display that in addition to the default 4 GB of RAM, we have successfully added the 1 GB using the memory extension feature. Already, the next tip is way quicker than this RAM extension. So basically, right now we can take a screenshot using the buttons we have, the volume keys and the power button, by simultaneously pressing the volume down and power button, just like so. But the system on the smartphone allows you to make it so that you can simply make the screenshot with the 3-finger down swipe, or with gestures in general. In order for this feature to be activated, you want to enter the additional settings, then go for the gesture shortcuts, enter take a screenshot section, and turn the slide 3 fingers down toggle on, just like so. And from now, we'll be able to take a screenshot by simply doing this gesture that I've just showed, which is moving your 3 fingers downwards, or even I would rather say sliding rather than moving. Alrighty, so very convenient feature to have once like you're not comfortable with taking a screenshot the default way, like simultaneously pressing the volume down button and power key. You can simply make the following gesture. Alrighty, the next tip that we would like to share with you is also located in the settings, so let me just relaunch them. You want to go for the notifications and control center category. In here, go for the status bar section. Next, enter the hide notch. And in here, as you can see, we can hide this little camera notch at the top and make it practically invisible, I would say. So it is more like, I don't know, it just, for some people, it can look better this particular way. As you can see, the notch, not everybody likes to see the notch, so if you're one of those people, just feel free to use this hide notch feature and make the status bar dark as a bonus. Alrighty, moving on to the fifth and last tip for this video that is located at the same section, at the same category of settings. In here you want to, instead of hide notch, open the battery indicator, and here you can choose how the battery icon at the status bar will look. So right now it is not displaying the actual battery left in percents. Therefore, if you would like to be able to very visually see how much power you have left, you can either go for this design that will display the current battery health, the percentage for the current battery health inside the battery icon, or you can also make it to be in front of it, just like so. Alrighty, so this was the last tip for this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.